healthy salad. So right over here, I just washed off some leaves. You got some beetroot inside of it, and you got some leaves right there. And as you can see, it's just a simple little leaf what we have. All right, what we're going to be using this morning, this afternoon, not this morning. All right, we have some gherkins which we're gonna also use, cucumber, a few bits and pieces which I'm gonna be using to make this beautiful salad. All right, so we got some cucumber. Also, we're going to use to make this beautiful salad. So let's get some cucumber at the side and all them things there. So just a simple little salad which I decided I want to share with you this morning. We have some gherkins also we're going to be using to make that beautiful, fantastic and an amazing salad. Yeah, gherkins is very, very good for you, because the reason why I know that the gherkins is good for you guys, because I use it all the time. You know? Yeah, I use it all the time. Yeah. So yeah, it's beautiful, nice, but look what's gonna happen. It's gonna be an amazing salad from Chef Ricardo. We have some beetroot which we're gonna also use, and to be honest with you, the beetroot is very, very healthy to have in a salad. All right, trust me guys, if you don't know anything about beetroot, trust me, beetroot is just an amazing to have in your salad all the time. All right, yeah, so we're gonna put some beetroot on the plate just like this. All right, yeah, so we have to have some beetroot, it's a must. Yeah man, you can't make salad and now have a little bit of beetroot on the plate. Alright, it's now going to come out the way you want it. Secondly, we have some olive. We're going to put a little bit of olive on the plate, and trust me, you know what I mean, a little bit of olive also good sometime to have on the plate. Alright, and that is just beautiful, nice, and also delicious. So we're going to put some olive. Lovely. Alright, yeah, that is fantastic. Tomato. Alright, we're gonna put some tomato on the plate. Trust me. Also, I have some leftover. This is some plum tomato which I have roasted a little bit earlier. So to be honest with you guys, it's coming up to, you know, it's spring now, and through spring, a lot of people like to do like a lot of salad, and not only that, it's coming up to our summer. So yeah, things looking good. Alright, we're gonna put on some pepper. Yeah, things looking good. So a lot of people are trying their best to eat healthy right now, and you know, try to have a lot of healthy recipe and healthy lifestyle and all that thing there. Alright, so we're going to put on a little bit of peppers on the plate also. Yeah man, just to keep it running nice and lovely. So yeah, things looking good. Yeah, that's one of the main things what you want to do. Got some spring onion. Alright, we're gonna put on. So I'll tell you something, a lot of people doesn't know. In Jamaica, I don't know if they call it spring onion still, or onion, or whatever they call it, or scallion. But remember guys, these are very, very good for you. Trust me, to have. You know? Yeah. Very, very, very good for you to have. 100%. So basically, I have a little bit more of my peas left over, which I'm going to put right on top of it. So this is just like a healthy salad for you guys to have in the morning or whatever time you like to have healthy salad. Alright, secondly, we got some prawn which I prepared earlier, and these prawn you can get like these large prawn in the supermarket to buy, or your local shop wherever you are, you can get them for buy, and you can make a nice lovely salad like this, like what Chef Ricardo there do. Alright, and once you make this a lovely salad, you're just going to have it for lunch. It is amazing. Look at that. Fantastic, lovely, and also delicious. Alright, that's where Chef Ricardo is right now, in the kitchen, just to show you exactly what I go on with this beautiful salad. That's some pepper. Alright, yeah, and those healthy salad, trust me, you can get them in the local shop or your supermarket to buy. Alright, trust me, 100% guys, you can get them in the local shop or your supermarket to buy. They are so amazing, trust me. Beautiful, nice, and also delicious. 100% you can get them to buy. It's just amazing salad guys. Trust me, it's just something totally different where you can also do at home in your kitchen. Alright, so basically if you're at home and you feel like you want to do something totally different, that's some avocado, which I'm just putting right here. Trust me, that coming really handy for you. Alright, trust me guys, it is a beautiful, simple and delicious salad from Chef Ricardo today. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to put some, this is just a little bit of flat parsley, which I'm going to put on it. Alright, so if you're a person who's familiar with parsley, then this coming really handy for you. Alright, yeah, really nice and lovely. Yeah, look at that, beautiful, nice, and also delicious. Simple, yeah, 100% guys, you guys can make this at home. Alright, 100% you guys definitely can make this an amazing salad at home. Very simple and also delicious. Alright, and the most important thing is the salad is just so healthy. Alright, as you can see for yourself, we got some black pepper. Put a little bit of black pepper on it. Lovely and nice. Trust me guys, that is just amazing. Alright, little bit of chili. So that salad beautiful and nice. Yeah, that's exactly what I talk about. That is fantastic and delicious. Alright, yeah, fantastic and also delicious. Alright, yeah, beautiful one. So as you can see, look at that, fantastic and an amazing salad recipe from Chef Ricardo this morning. One more time with you guys. Alright, as you can see it for yourself, that was amazing salad guys, 100%, trust me. And as I said, you can tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, because we have a lot more recipe coming and a lot more ideas from Chef Ricardo and the team. But look at that, beautiful salad, delicious and also simple. Alright, so yeah, please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, because we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And as I said, this is how we normally do it in the kitchen when we are making certain kind of dish or certain kind of salad recipe from Chef Ricardo guys. You know, I try my best to share some of the most beautiful and fantastic recipe them in the world with you. Alright, lovely one. But as I said, we're definitely going to come with some more healthy recipes and healthy salad and healthy juice, because remember it's coming up to spring. It's spring now and summer. We normally have to do this in summer. Alright, so this is the way we normally do it. Yeah, so please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel and also leave your comments in the description box. Alright, so this is how we normally do it. Alright, so in the meantime, we just make the salad. And to be honest, the salad is beautiful and nice. So what we want to do now, alright, to be honest with you, I want to make you guys now a healthy juice to go with this beautiful salad. So if you're at home and you want to make yourself a nice juice, then this come in really handy for you, alright? And I'm going to be showing you how to do this one, how to make this an amazing salad recipe today from Chef Ricardo. So yeah, don't go anywhere, just stay right there and watch this one. I'm going to show you how to make the beautiful salad, that beautiful juice. Alright, that's the salad. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to make yourself a perfect weight loss recipe. Alright, yeah, perfect weight loss recipe. But as I said, the salad is just an amazing one for you to make at home. Alright, trust me guys, 100%. So now it's the juice time. Let's make a juice. That's the guys can do the same thing at home in your kitchen. Alright, I'm going to be using my blender, and this is what's going to happen. Alright, so what you want to do is make sure you get yourself some cucumber. Very important to use some cucumber. Alright, I'm using roughly about half a cucumber right here, and I'm going to cut it up very small and also put it straight inside of your blender. Alright, so basically, as I can see, this will be a healthy recipe. Yeah, healthy juice recipe for a perfect weight loss. Alright, so basically, this is what I call a perfect weight loss juice. Alright, yeah, perfect weight loss juice to make at home. Alright, so what you want to do, you put some cucumber in it, just like this, what I'm doing right here. Alright, yeah. Secondly, I'm gonna get half a cucumber, half a this is some avocado. Alright, I'm gonna get half a avocado. Nice one. Alright. And then secondly, I'm going to get some, this is some flat parsley. So I'm going to put some flat parsley inside of it, alright? The flat parsley, make sure, definitely guys, you need the flat parsley inside of it. Because that's what's going to make the difference, the flat parsley, alright? That's going to make the difference inside of it, alright? Yeah, and it's just an amazing one to have inside of it. Secondly, I'm going to get some fresh mint also to put inside of it. You need some fresh mint. Yeah, that is exactly what I'm talking about. Put a little bit of fresh mint in it. Yeah, because that you need the fresh mint to make the difference. Then just a little bit of water, not much. Alright. So what we're gonna do next, we're just gonna put roughly about half teaspoon of honey inside of it, alright? That is lovely. And we're going to give it this perfect blend. Few minutes, alright? Nice one. So let's take a look at this now and see it look. Alright, that looking good. So that's exactly what you want to see right there. Alright, so that looking good. what we're gonna do now is we're going to get some lemon, or you can use some lime. I'm gonna use some lime. I'm gonna squeeze some lime juice in it. Alright. What I want to say to you guys, if you have some fresh ginger, please use it. I'm going to put a little bit of fresh grounded ginger powder. But if you have some fresh ginger, please use it, alright? Yeah. Lovely and nice. This is our glass. Alright. And this is how it look. Look at this dog. That is beautiful, guys. 100%. Alright. Trust me. You wanna just drink this. Alright, and have it with this beautiful salad. Look, but anyway, let's take a good look at it. By the way, guys. Alright, that is fantastic and amazing. Lovely salad and lovely juice to go with that. Alright, so if you like this one, please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, because we have a lot more recipes coming out and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And you know, as I said, please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, because we have so much recipe coming out for you guys. 100%. Alright, as you can see it for yourself. Simple but also delicious. Alright, look at that beautiful one from Chef Ricardo today. Beautiful, simple, and also delicious. Alright, so subscribe is also very important. Clicking the notification bell and all them things there, very important. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, Chef Ricardo Cooking, and you guys definitely can make this one at home. Look at that. It's beautiful, nice, simple, and easy and delicious smoothie recipe. Avocado is good for you, and a lot of people doesn't know that avocado is very good in boosting the immune system and also good in weight loss. Alright, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with some more healthy recipe, healthy lifestyle. And you know, this is from Chef Ricardo. We try our best to give you some of the most beautiful recipe them in the world. So please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and I will definitely see you in the kitchen with some more beautiful recipe again and again. Alright, see you next time, guys. Guys, you know, stay up on the grabble with Chef Ricardo. I want you guys to try this one at home. Alright, something different and something I want you to try at home. Alright, thank you so much, guys, for the donation who donate to cancer research. Thank you so much. My live on my YouTube channel also. Alright, yeah, thank you so much, guys, for coming on the show. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's gonna be a very, very, very quick recipe. 2 persons has donate to cancer research. Thank you so much for donate to cancer research. Alright, if you are interested, you can donate to cancer research. Alright, it's up to you. Alright, if you want to donate. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be jump straight into this, and I'm gonna be giving you a very quick recipe where you can do at home. If you're at home and you feel bored and you want to try something different, this is for you. Okay, you do not have to make it. It's just a simple quick recipe from Chef Ricardo. Alright, this is my homemade ice cream, and I'm gonna be showing you how to do this one. So basically, this is Chef Ricardo homemade vanilla ice cream, and I'm gonna be using roughly about 2 tablespoons of vanilla homemade ice cream. That's vanilla homemade ice cream. Alright, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to make this one. Alright, so you get the vanilla. This If you do not have the homemade ice cream, you can use your vanilla ice cream where you have at home. All right, and then what you want to do is to get a pack of oats, and I'm using the original one because this one doesn't have sugar and bits and pieces in it. This one is just like sugar free. All right, so this is rough about 2 tablespoons of oats. I'm gonna pop that straight inside of it like this. All right, that's the oats I'm putting straight inside of it. All right, so it's a beautiful one, something new and something totally different. All right, now this is a Jamaican water crackers, and a lot of people doesn't know that this is also good for you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do. You need to break up the water crackers and put it straight inside of it like this. All right, so basically, if you're at home and you feel to do something totally different, this is for you. This is not for weight loss or for detoxing. This is like boosts up your immune system, build up your immune system, build up yourself. And definitely if you're doing a lot of gym workout, or if you're going to the gym, whatever you're doing, this is for you. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of the Caribbean mixed spice in it. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pop a little bit of the Caribbean mixed spice, just a pinch of it inside of it. All right, beautiful and also nice. All right, secondly, I'm gonna be using some Jamaican vanilla inside of it. All right, roughly about a teaspoon of the Jamaican vanilla I'm going to be using inside of it. Now I'm going to be using the Jamaican, this is the vanilla flavor. No sugar is in this one. Is a original nutriment, I believe in Jamaica they call it supplement. All right, so I'm going to be using the vanilla flavor with the ice cream, which is also all right, and I'm not going to be using a whole heap inside of it. I'm just going to be using a little bit. All right, roughly about a 1/4 cup inside of it to free up the blender also. All right, secondly, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be getting a finger of ripe banana, and as I say, it's a quick recipe. It's not going to be a very long giant out recipe. If you are not driving or you're walking, you can put like roughly what you know I mean, like a couple tablespoons of Jamaican Guinness in it, or jagger. All right, but if not, what you can also do is just put a shot of Jamaican white rum, not much, just a little bit of the Jamaican white rum in it. All right, and that's gonna be the difference. All right, so what I want to say to you is just a recipe for you to try. You do not have to make this recipe, guys, honestly, 100%. all right, so it's just something for you to try at home. So basically we got the Jamaican water crackers. You have to have this one inside of it. Water crackers, ice cream, we got the oats, we got the ripe banana, and also we got some nutriment, which is supplement, where they call it in Jamaica. We got vanilla, we got I think I have some vanilla essence, which you can also use in it. This one, we got this one, which you can also use in it. Some vanilla essence inside of it. All right, now what I'm gonna say to you also, if you're interested, what you can do is put some granola inside of it to boost back your immune system. No sugar, granola, you got coconut, you got a lot of stuff inside of it. This can be bringing back a little bit of also a little bit of fiber into your body. So what we can also do, you can put a little bit inside of it, roughly about a tablespoon, not much, to bring back a little bit of the fiber. All right, so it's a lovely recipe and it's a very unique recipe and it is something totally different. But what we're going to do, we need to blend it now to see how this is going to look. All right, and as I said, it's just a recipe for you to try at home. All right, let's blend this. All right, nice one. So we want to see the thickness of it, and so it look not too bad. But what we can do is put a little bit more of the nutriment in it, And the reason why I put the rum in it, because a lot of people may allergic to the nutriment and I probably have a tummy, you know what I mean? So the rum will cut out that bit. So what we're gonna do, blend it a minute again and see. Beautiful. Alright, so basically let's see exactly how this one look. Alright, we need to see how this one look. Alright, so if you have a good blender, no problem. Alright, and this is perfect. Alright, we're gonna pour this out just like this, and look at that. That is just an amazing, beautiful and nice. Alright, simple but also delicious. You can just give it a try, give it a go, and see exactly what do you think about this drink. Shout out to every one of you guys who supporting Chef Ricardo on my Instagram page. I respect every one of you and I love every one of you. And I try my best to give you some of the most simple and beautiful and unique recipe, alright? And that's exactly what I'm doing right here at this minute, guys. So if you like the recipe, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please tell a friend. And a friend tell a friend. We will definitely give you some more recipes and some more ideas of things where you can also make at home. Alright, now I have one recipe which I get a requested for, and I need to get rid of that recipe out of the way, and I'm just gonna simply give you that recipe where 100% you can make it at home in a simple, very simple recipe, guys. But this one is specific for if you are interested in weight loss, or if you are interested in like having a healthy smoothie recipe in the morning, then this come in really handy for you. Alright, so as you can see, very delicious and simple recipe to make in the morning. Alright, secondly, I'm just gonna give you this recipe. I have the request for the recipe, and I said to myself, definitely I will